Hi there, this is Professor Sahu from ReDefine, and today we have a question from a chapter called as probability. This is from 10th standard cbse, and this is HOTS question. Don't worry, we are here to help you. How that we will see right now. So we'll just read the question carefully again. What is the probability of getting 53 Sundays in a non-leap or a normal year? Okay, so the question is saying to find a probability of getting 53 Sundays in a non-leap or a normal year. So remember one thing for this particular question. Now here they have specifically asking about Sunday. Okay, but remember one thing, irrespective of any days. That means suppose in your exam the question is like this: find the probability of getting 53 Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday, etc. The answer will be same. That means irrespective of any days mentioned in this particular type of question, you will always get a same answer. Okay, so how we have to solve that, we will see right now. So what we will do is we will start with a basic understanding. So first we will write number of days in a year. Okay, so in a year, number of days, so we'll just write number of days, that is 365 days. Then in a week, how many days we have, that we have to write, so that is number of days. So in a week, number of days, 7 days. Now here we have to find that how many weeks we have in 365 days. How many weeks in 365 days? So for that we have to do a simple division, that is 365 divided by 7. So I am just doing here 365 divided by 7. 7 5s are 35. Subtract this, you will get 15. 7 2s are 14. So we are getting 1 as a remainder. So in this case what we are getting is we are getting 52 weeks and we are getting 1 as a remainder, that is 1 extra day we are getting. Okay, now this 1 extra day can be any day. Any day, I mean to say, can be any day out of 7 days. Okay, so that means if I wanted to write a sample space, so how I can write that? So one day can be any day, that means it could be Monday, it could be Tuesday, it could be Wednesday, it could be Thursday, it could be Friday, Saturday or Sunday. So that means here the total possible outcome, here we can say that the total possible outcome here is what? Total possible outcome is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. The total possible outcome is what? 7. Okay, now what we need is we need here that 1 extra day. Okay, we need to understand it, what is that 1 extra day. So 1 extra day could be any one day out of that 7 days. So that means we can say that the number of favorable outcome, we can say that number of favorable outcome could be 1. Okay, now it is very easy to find the probability by using the formula. So the probability of 53 Sundays that we can find by using a formula. So what is the formula? Formula is number of favorable outcome upon number of possible outcome upon number of possible outcome. So number of favorable outcome is what? 1 and possible outcome is 7. So this is your final answer. This is your final answer. So remember one thing, irrespective of, I am again repeating the same thing, that irrespective of any days asked in your question, in your exam, the answer will be same for non-leap year. Okay, hope you like this video and it helps you a lot, and we will see a second type of examples, that is for leap year, in second video. Thank you all. Keep watching. Stay tuned with ReDefine. Subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get more updates to watch such kind of videos which will help all the students. Thank you very much.